Hey everyone, this is Amanda. How are you doing? This weekend I just hosted an amazing Goddess Within masterclass and it was an absolute delight and pleasure. When you stand in your own power and just let loose, you feel the difference. I did have an awful brain fog after COVID last year and I lost all momentum and pretty much. And no matter how much my heart wanted to serve, it just wasn't coming together. I have so much knowledge, wisdom and love to share, it was hard sometimes to know where to start. And with over 22 years experience, you gain a lot of solution providing ability. So about 2 months ago, I just thought, you know what? I need to get back into some local in-person physical events, which I'd actually shied away from because of hiring a venue, organising logistics, etc. It just takes up a lot of time and effort, when it's usually easier just to do a Zoom training. However, I really felt the pull and the need to do something local, which put me totally out of my comfort zone again. Now, I'm very good at telling clients, it's okay, you've got this, feel the fear and do it anyway. It's all a learning experience, nothing to lose and everything to gain. Then here I was at 50 going through all those fears again. Is this the right masterclass to do? Will anyone come? What if they don't like what I've delivered? What if I don't get anyone at all? What if the caterer doesn't turn up? What if the spa therapists don't turn up? What if they don't like the location? And the list goes on, a heap of other fears. And you know what? I just said to myself, Amanda, come on, you've been doing this for a lifetime, it's going to be fine. Whoever needs to come will come, and they will get what they need to receive. So chill out. So that's exactly what I did, and the workshop had exactly the right number of ladies in, and each of them were fabulous in their own way and shared some beautiful, amazing stories, fears and triumphs. So when I reflected on the day, I felt absolutely elated. When you deliver what you know in your heart is serving people and getting results in some shape or form for them, it is such a fulfilling feeling. I'm so full of gratitude and love knowing that I am on the right path. So I'm going to leave you a new quote which just came to me for today, which is, there is no wrong path, but the path you choose may take a little longer. So be patient. Your prize is waiting for you. Trust. I trust you got something from that little share there, and I look forward to sharing with you on the next video. Take care, guys. Speak to you soon. Lots of love. Bye for now.